Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Despina and today I'm back with another video. So I put this small little box and I thought it would be a good opportunity to customize it together. I also have a ribbon here. I just thought it was very cute. We can just wrap it around maybe. I also have my acrylics. I just have the primary colors, which is blue, white, black, yellow and red, and then we can make our own colors. I have my glue and I have a few pearls here just in case. I might not use them, but I just have them. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason.
So now that I'm done with my drawing, I will add the ribbon around the sides. I would suggest do it if you have a hot glue, otherwise it's gonna take a while. I do not have a hot glue, but I'm willing to stay here and wait for it to get dried. So just so you know, it's gonna take a while if you don't have a hot glue. So let's go.
In the moon, I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why.
Here we have it. It's not completely dried, it's not completely done. As you can see, my glue is white because it's glue for wood, but don't worry, because once it gets dry, it's not gonna be white, it's going to be transparent. So yeah, here we have it. I think it looks very pretty. I'll show you how you can decorate it. You can put chocolates, you can put candles, you can put anything inside. You can put jewelry. I have a lot of earrings, so I might just save my earrings in there. I don't want it just to be for Valentine's Day, because you can use it anytime you want. Just put whatever you want inside. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll show you the final product.
I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next Friday. You can follow me on my Instagram if you want. I'll put it over here. And you can subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and you can comment down below if there's anything specific you would like me to do, and please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!